Hi, welcome to the Disease Game Show, and my name is Cruz. This week we're going to be covering brain-eating amoebas, and our contestants today are Vince and Logan. They're going to be competing for the grand prize. So our first question is going to Vince, and that's going to be, what is the mode of transportation for the brain-eating amoeba?
All right. Well, for the mode of transportation, it usually goes from water to humans, and it'll enter the human through the nose, and after that the amoeba will head towards the brain.
That is correct. On to Logan now. So our next question is going to Logan, and that is, where will the pathogens be found?
The pathogen would most likely be found in warm lakes, mud puddles, as well as aquariums and developed areas. The pathogen is most likely going to be found in areas of Florida and Texas.
That is correct. Now on to Vince. Now it's Vince's turn again, and that is, what are the 5 symptoms of this disease?
All right, so 5 symptoms for the brain-eating amoeba would be, number 1, fever, then vomiting, seizures, also comas, and lastly, headaches.
Those are correct. On to Logan now. Now back to Logan to tie the game, and it's going to be, how common is this disease?
The brain-eating amoeba on average happens about 8 times a year and mostly found in Texas and Florida.
That is correct. Now back to Vince with a tied game to take the lead. Vince, name 2 special attributes about this pathogen.
All right, so for the brain-eating amoebas, first one is the rarity of the disease. It happens only 8 times a year on average. Secondly, what makes it special is that it's very common with water sports such as diving and water skiing.
That is correct. Vince now has a lead. Logan, to get yourself back into the game now, name a treatment for this disease.
Is one of the treatments using Tylenol?
That is incorrect. On to Vince. Vince, name a treatment for this disease.
Right now there actually is no clear treatment. The sad thing is that most people that get the disease die within 6 days.
That is correct. Vince takes the win. So the winner of this week's game show is Vince. Catch us next week for malaria.